Hey guys, this is my video for one-digit multiplication and arrays. So let's get started. The way to write a multiplication problem is like this. 2 times 3 equals our blank, which is what we have to find out today. So what is this? Question mark. What is it? We are going to write an array, which means we take the first number and we make the amount of that in dots. So right now, if we had like a little grid, we have 2 rows. Row 1, row 2. Now we have to add in our columns. We have our 3 here, which is our 1, 2, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. So we have 2 times 3. And we get this as our answer. All of this right here. We get all of this square. So we're going to count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So that means 2 times 3 equals 6. So another example would be 4 times 2 equals blank. Now, we could write this as like a group. So let's say we have a little bag right here. One of those little Ziploc ones. You guys know what I'm talking about. We use this for lunches. Good for snacks. They don't help save the planet though. Be mindful, don't overuse. Okay. Almost done with my Ziplocs here. So we have 4 Ziploc bags. And in each bag are 2 big fat apples. Apple 1, apple 2, apple 1, apple 2, apple 1, apple 2, apple 1, apple 2. So right now we have 2 apples in each of our bags. Now we have 4 bags with 2 apples inside each bag. So we have 4 bags per 2 apples. So we have 4 bags for 2 apples per bag. Apples per bag. Now that we have our 4 bags with our 2 apples in each bag, we can count the amount of apples we have. Let's count it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer would be 8 because we have 4 groups with 2 objects in each group. So you can pause this video and go over this one more time, but I'm going to do our last problem together. So we're going to do 8 times 3 equals blank. What does it equal? Let's find out. What's a food that we like to eat? Does anyone like ice cream? Let's do some ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Mine's vanilla or mint. So we have 3. Right here we have 2 rows, but we don't have to follow the order that the numbers are in. 3 times 8 is the same thing as 8 times 3. It will give you the same answer every time. So, we're going to do 3 columns here, and then we're going to do our 8 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, very tiny ice cream down here, 8. Okay, I don't know if you can really see that because it's really tiny down here. But it's a little baby cone. It's right there. Now, you continue making yours. Till there's enough. Okay, now we have all our ice cream cones. So now we have 8 ice cream cones on the side. 8 times our 3 on the top. So basically, we have 8 groups of 3. Here's our first group, and our second group, and our third group, and our fourth group, and our fifth group, and our sixth group, 7th, 8th, etc. Okay, so we have our 8 groups of 3 here. Now 8, so basically 8 times 3 equals this number of cones right here. So let's count it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 cones of ice cream. Now, this is 24. That's how many cones of ice cream we have. That's a lot. That could make you sick. Okay, well maybe they're saving them for later, right? So I'm going to write a few more problems here. You can pause this video and try to solve them by yourself. These might be difficult for some of you, but just pause this video to figure it out. Now, hopefully you've taken some time to figure it out. I know that was rather fast for those of you that didn't pause the video, but I'm going to go through the answers with you. So, 7 times 1 is 7 groups with 1 in each group. So we have our 7 dots here because we have 7 and there's only 1 group. So we can count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer is 7. So we have 7 dots right here. Now let's do our next one. How about some stars? I like myself some stars. So let's do 6 going down. Here we go, we have 6. Then we're going to do 6 times 2. Okay, so we have 2 groups with 6 in each group. So you can see our 2 groups here. And then we have our 6 in each group. Okay, now let's count this out too. You can count it by yourself, but I'm going to do it with you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 stars. Woo woo! Okay, I promise this is the last problem. I swear. Okay. Swelling's back. Okay. We have 5 times 3. So we're going to do 5 little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have our 3. Just fill this out. Okay. Now, guess how many circles are here? You don't have to guess. We're going to count. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 circles right here. So that's 5 times 3 equals our 15. Or 5 groups of 3. You'll be seeing this of a lot. In word problems, if you have of, it means multiplication. I'm just getting you ahead here. Okay, we're done for today. You get 1 gold star for joining us this week. I hope you're here again, and I hope you learned something from this video. Have a great day.